Hello friends, welcome in this sketchware tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you that how to create a bonus wheel in sketchware. So at first I am creating an app naming bonus wheel. Here you go. At first I am creating a new component timer and then set importing an image from my phone gallery. Okay, now I'm going back and then setting an image here. This is the image and I am setting this image layout gravity center and then setting a button here, two buttons, and the text view. I am setting all these gravity center and center, and the third text view, the text view I am setting here score. I'm setting the text size 25 sp. On this button I am setting stop, and this one I am setting start. I'm setting the text size 25 and 25 sp. Okay, now go to event view and button on click. Create a new variable naming rot. Now set rotation, set the variable rot to 0. Sorry, set this to 1 and then set here this component ten, and then rotation increase 1. Now go to view and view, set rotation, image view, set rotation rot. Just a little seeing that everything is okay or not. Okay is everything. Now here timer cancel. Okay, now I'm running the app. If the app don't well, just wait a while. If the app is not installed, the app may not be installed in my phone because there is a problem in my phone. So if you install it, you will see that the app works really well. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel and watch our videos. Sorry for not practical.